This is the elevator at 5424 Fifth Avenue in Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania. And look at this, we have an old Marshall elevator with C.J. Anderson black button fixtures from the 1950s, I believe. And use light just turned on, in case fire noise elevator. Here it is. Oh wow, take a look at this. White painted cab with the three here, the buttons. And let's listen to this old hydro motor. Here are three. Over back down to ground or the basement for some reason as it's labeled here. Marshall elevator stickers going away. In case fire nice elevators. Old Marshall Elevator Company brass label there. There's your certificate. It's called the Mark Wald Apartments. Pretty basic white repainted cab. Some of the paint there is peeling. Here's a light fixture. This is not too different from Fifth Avenue Apartments. I forget the address of that place out here. This is an old Marshall hydraulic. There closes, and that's going to be it.